Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Our today's topic is regarding credit card. So we will let you know what is a credit card, how does it works, and some benefits of the credit card. So first question is, what is a credit card? A credit card is a type of loan provided by the bank to the user or cardholder, and we need to repay it within 30 to 45 days. It depend on the bank. We can use credit card online and offline both, and also if we are not able to repay the loan within the time limit, so we will bank will charge a late fees or interest charge on the credit card. Next is, how does a credit card work? So it's start with the application. You can apply for a credit card through a bank or a financial institution. If the card is approved, then you will receive the application in your home address with the credit card limit, expiration date, CVV code. So after this, you have to activate your card by visiting to the ATM, or you can activate it by online. Then you can use your card to make purchases by swiping it or entering your card details online websites. And the system is, the bank pays the merchant on your behalf and then sends you a bill with a due date which you need to repay. So you must repay your bill in full by the due date to avoid interest charges. And these are two most benefits of the credit card. First is, you can make purchases without having to carry any cash, and the second one is, you can earn reward points, cashback and discount on purchases. So this is a demo of a credit card, how it looks like. So you can see it looks like an ATM or usually a debit card. So there are some details like expiration date, card number, cardholder name, CVC code, and signature and all, bank name are also there. So that is all for today. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video with a new topic. Keep supporting us. Thank you.